In some point of our lives, we have struggled at learning. In our school days, we had to learn the different formulas in mathematics or the dates of the historical events. When we passed that phase, we had to learn techniques at work to provide more efficiency. Learning or memorizing things are not easy. Especially in this century, we are not only concentrating only on one job, but are multitasking. Doing different kinds of work does take a lot of patience, and you surely need to learn faster to earn better. I'm here to tell you 5 techniques that will surely help you to be a better and quick learner. The very first and basic thing would be taking down notes. Several things are happening around you every day. It is difficult to remember everything. Hence, it would be wise if you can carry a notepad with you all the time. You can also note down the facts and the information in your smartphones. So if you take down notes of what you hear then and there, the facts will be crystal clear to you when you go through them later. Hence, if you are a student or a worker, it would be important to note down the information as soon as you hear them. Moreover, research says that taking down notes boosts the learning capability of a person. So it is really important to take notes. Another important yet indirect way of fast learning is interacting with more people. I would suggest you to never eat your lunch or dinner alone. You should definitely find a company, be it your friends or family, while you are eating. In order to learn fast, building up networks is really important. These networks will definitely help you to learn more, as you will come across more ideas and influences. Sharing your ideas with others also help you to revise the things that you have learned. Revision is always helpful to be a better learner. To learn fast, you need to have practical experience. For example, you are a student of chemistry. It is really important for you to go to the laboratory and gain in-hand experience. Only memorizing the theory will not make you a better learner. It is also important to get guidance from a mentor to gain proper practical experience. Stronghold in both theory and practicals will surely make you better than good. Failure is also a major chapter in the book of better learning. If you have several failed attempts when you are trying to accomplish a task, it is not a sign of weakness, but the stepping stone to better learning. Each wrong choice and failed attempt strengthens your mindset and builds your character for the next challenge that you will be facing. As the saying goes, you learn from your mistakes. Another important technique to learn better and faster is to divide the load into segments or space them out mentally. For example, in a day, let's say you drink 5 glasses of water. If you drink 5 glasses of water at the same time, and if you drink 5 glasses of water at regular intervals, the effect will surely be different. Same goes for learning. If you want to be a better learner, you will have to use your power of mental spacing. You will have to divide the load in a uniform manner. It will surely help you learn more and better. So I think these techniques will surely help you to learn better and faster. However, these techniques are just guidelines that can aid your learning process. Hence, remember, at the end of the day, it is your quest for knowledge that will make you a better learner.